In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group on Telegram. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Telegram app and then tap on this pencil icon on the bottom here. So when you tap on it, you'll see you have an option to create a new group. Now go ahead and tap on it. So from here, if you have contacts, you can go ahead and start selecting the names of the contacts you want. Currently, I don't have a contact list, and then tap on next. Now here, give your group a name, and that's my group name. You can go ahead and now select the photo or the image you want to use. If you tap on this, it will take you to gallery, and then choose your image, and then tap set group photo. And here we go. The group photo has been set. Great. Now the next thing you need to do is to set if you want to auto delete messages on your group. By default, it is set to auto delete messages on my group after 1 week. So to change this, just tap on it and then choose whether group messages should be deleted after a given time. So if you want the messages to remain permanent, you can go ahead and choose this disable. That means that your messages will remain permanent on your group. Now from here, go ahead and tap on this tick to proceed. And we are done. Our group is set. Now from here, you can just go ahead and start adding members. If you didn't add them initially, you can now go ahead and tap on add members. And this will take you to your contact. As you can see, I don't have contacts here. But for your case, you should see a list of contacts that you have on your smartphone. And then select the ones you want to add to this group. So that's how you can set a new group on your Telegram app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.